अमेरिकार न्यूजर्सी रे भव्य हिंदू मंदिर पूरा 183 एकर तैयारी होछि मंदिर परिसर। मुख्य मंदिर दैर्घ्य 255 फुट होइतिबा बेले ओसार होछि 345 फुट। यार उच्चता होछि 191 फुट। यार निर्माण पई लागितिला 12 वर्ष समय। 2011 रु आरंभ होई किछि दिन तळे शेष होइछि यार निर्माण कार्य। आसंता अक्टोबर रे यार प्रतिष्ठा हेबार अछि। भारतीय कारुकार्य और भास्कर्यर यह परिपूर्ण। अमेरिका रे रहुथिबा भारतीयଙ୍କ मध्यरु 12,000 अधिक स्वेच्छासेवी एही मंदिर निर्माण रे श्रमदान करिसेंति। कहा जाउछि कंबोडियार बृहत्तम मंदिर परे यह हेउछि द्वितीय सबुठु बड़ हिंदू मंदिर।
The history that is getting chiseled here is really opening up this to all visitors, welcoming them to a landmark of Hindu art and architecture, culture. Living in America, many of my son, my daughter are born in this country. This Mahamandir here adds to the fabric of this nation. It's a proud moment for many American Hindus to celebrate, but also when I bring my neighbor Joe Thano with me, who's very eager to know about Indian culture, Indian art, but more specifically about Hinduism.
My name is Sarika Patel and I'm from Robbinsville, New Jersey. Being born and raised in America, having family that I grew up with in the temple all the time with, seeing my guru and how selfless he was and everything he did for others. This was my opportunity when I saw this mandir in my very backyard that was being done. I didn't think twice and I wanted to thank my guru. And this was the only way I could do it. So I just, quit my job, gave the 2 weeks notice in, and I put myself right out here.
My name is Jaina Patel and I'm from Alabama. I am an entrepreneur and my guru and what he's done for me, that was the reason why I was able to drop everything and come here. He was my inspiration. He has lived a very inspiring life and it was his dream that we build a monument, a Mahamandir here to showcase and spread our Indian culture here, and this is a part of my identity of who I am as an Indo-American, and it was a way to be part of something big, something that will impact generations to come. And this is not just something for me, but it's a small way to say thank you and to make an impact for a lifetime.